Hey guys, I'm Victoria with Brinkley RV. Today I'm going to show you how to put your entryway into storage mode prior to travel. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to actually start off with your rail. This inner part just slides right in, and as you can tell, there's a magnet, a round magnet. This is just a metal pad. We're going to slide this down until it makes contact. And then inside your information package, there is going to be a pin. This pin goes right down here and it just slides in. You kind of have to wiggle it around just to make sure that the holes line up, right in like that, and just flap that down. Let's just put this up here. Make sure that your entry door is all the way open. We are going to flip the stairs all the way up. With both hands, we're going to grab the base, lift up, and then we're going to walk it up with both hands. And then as you can tell on the left-hand side, there is going to be a little blue lever, and this is what is going to lock your steps in place. But before you let go fully, just make sure that you give it a little tug to make sure that it actually did lock. That way it doesn't accidentally fall down on you. So now that we have that all done, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to shut this door. Make sure that it's firmly shut, and then we're going to take our keys and lock those, which I do not have, so I'm going to hurry up and grab those real fast. So now that I have my keys, there are two ways that you can actually lock the deadbolt. You can either do that with the key or the keypad. On your keypad, you'll see a little key insignia on the bottom. You can press that and you will hear the deadbolt engage, or you can take your key and we're just going to insert that, and then you're going to turn it and you'll hear the lock engage, and then you'll turn it back vertical to remove the key. And then you'll also want to make sure that the padlock, which is this top part, is also locked. So you'll want to make sure that you insert the key, and then you'll turn it towards this little key symbol right here, and then pull the key straight out. Now, before you actually travel with this, you want to make sure that you check the padlock by pulling, and then also pull on the door. Give it a nice tug to make sure that this lock is actually fully engaged and the door is secure. And if for some reason that this does not lock, make sure that you do firmly close this door again and start the process all over again. So guys, that is how we do it.